In this video, let me show you how to delete Archero 2 account. Want to delete your Archero 2 account? Since there's no direct option in the app, you'll need to contact customer support. First, make sure you have the game Archero 2 and make sure you are really decided that you're gonna delete your account because there's no turning back once deleted. Next, open the game and then go to settings in the top left menu. After that, tap Support. Next, find Contact Us and tap it to submit your request. In your message, include your player ID, account details, and any verification info. Use the email linked to your account, then hit Submit. Check your inbox for replies, and if approved, your account will be deleted. And that's it, you've now deleted your Archero 2 account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.